morning, have you seated? State, you may call your next witness. Please raise your right hand. Do you swear or affirm the testimony you're about to give will be the truth?
Yes, I do.
You may take your seat. Please speak loudly and clearly. Adjust the microphone if you need to.
Okay.
Will you tell us your name and spell your name for our court reporter, please?
My name is Clarissa, Clariza Spoltore, Spoltore.
Thank you. Did you recently get married?
Yes.
Okay, congratulations. Was your name before you got married Libretto?
Libretto.
Okay. All right. So, where do you currently work? Where do you work?
I worked at the Adelson Institute.
Okay. And you currently work for a dental practice that took over for the Adelson Institute?
Yes.
Okay, thank you. How long did you work at the Adelson Institute?
Over 40 years.
And where is the Adelson Institute located?
In Tamarack.
Was the exact address of the Adelson Institute 7737 University Drive in Tamarack?
Correct.
Is Tamarack near Coral Springs?
Yes.
Okay. And I want to talk about the positions at the Adelson Institute going back to 2013, 2016. What was your position?
I was Dr. Adelson's dental assistant.
Was that Dr. Harvey Adelson?
Dr. Harvey Adelson, yes.
Okay. Did you ever work the front desk?
No.
Okay. So worked as his personal assistant. Worked as his assistant.
Yes.
And what about Donna Adelson? Did she work there during that time?
Yes.
And what did she do there?
She was the office manager. She worked up front.
Okay. Did she keep the books, do the payroll, that sort of thing?
Yes.
What about Charlie Adelson? What was his role there?
Charlie was our periodontist. He's a dentist.
Dentist, okay. And the 40 years that you worked there, you worked for Harvey Adelson all of those 40 years.
Yes.
Was there also an employee during, and I'm talking about the years 2014 to 2016, in addition to yourself, Dr. Harvey Adelson, Dr. Charlie Adelson, was there also an employee named Erica Johnson?
Yes.
Okay, and what was her role?
She worked up front and she was Charlie's assistant.
Okay. And we talked about Donna Adelson and her role. What about, did you have a hygienist named Amy?
Yes, we always had a hygienist.
Okay. Were there any other employees that you can think of during that time at the Adelson Institute, other than the ones I just named?
No.
Any other dentists besides Harvey and Charlie?
No.
You mentioned that Charlie is a periodontist. Did he also, in addition to working at the Adelson Institute, did he travel around and do that type of work for other dental offices as well?
Yes.
How often was he in the Adelson Institute office? Ballpark.
Once a month.
Okay, so one time a month he's going to serve his clients for the Adelson Institute, and other than that, he's traveling around to all different offices.
Yes.
Who was the boss at the Adelson Institute in your understanding? Who did you think was the boss?
Dr. Harvey Adelson.
What were the Adelson Institute's business hours back in 2014, 2016? Did y'all have Monday, Tuesday, and Thursday, 8 to 5?
Monday, Yes, and we had one late night.
Was
It was
when?
11 to 7
Okay. Was that Wednesday?
was Wednesday.
And then off on Fridays?
We were off on Friday.
And no work on Saturday or Sunday?
No.
Who had access to the employee records at Adelson Institute?
Dr. Adelson and Donna.
Dr. Adelson meaning Harvey or Charlie or both?
Harvey Adelson.
Was that something that you had access to or would know anything about?
No.
How do you know Katherine Magbanua?
I know her from the office. She was a patient there.
So she actually came and got dental work done there?
Yes.
Okay. Was she like a regular or just came in once or twice?
Once or twice.
Did you ever see her at Adelson Institute doing anything other than being a patient that once or
No.
one time or two times? Okay. Did you ever see her working at the Adelson Institute in any capacity?
No.
How did you get paid by Adelson Institute?
By checks.
And how often?
Every 2 weeks.
Did you ever get paid for weeks of work prior to completing your work?
Yes.
When would that happen? When might you get advance pay or get more than one paycheck at a time?
If they were going away on vacation, then we would get the checks before.
They being?
I mean, Dr. Adelson and Donna.
Okay. So if Harvey and Donna are going on a vacation that may last 2 weeks or more,
Right,
they're going to go ahead and pay y'all in advance so you don't go without.
right.
And how often would that happen?
Once a year, twice.
Would you ever get 4, 5, 6 paychecks in a row?
No.
Were you ever aware of any Adelson Institute employee in the history of the 40 years you were there that worked exclusively by phone or remotely?
No.
Did the Adelson Institute back in 2013 to 2016, did y'all have a cleaning service?
Yes.
And would the cleaning service, was it a husband and wife team?
Yes.
Was Katherine Magbanua the wife part of that team?
No.
Do you remember back in 2016, okay, when 2 law enforcement officers came to Adelson Institute and were asking some questions?
Yes.
Okay, and were they asking questions about Katherine Magbanua?
Yes.
Did you, since you didn't know anything, did you refer them to Erica Johnson, another employee?
Yes.
Okay. And did Erica Johnson speak with them?
Yes.
Prior to court today, did you have an opportunity to listen to States 100, which is the recorded call that you were played, which was a conversation between a man and a woman? Is that a yes?
Yes.
Okay, thank you. I saw you nodding. I've got to ask you. When you listened to that conversation, did you recognize the voices in States 100?
Yes.
Who was the woman in the call?
Erica Johnson.
Okay. And you said she was an employee at Adelson Institute?
Yes.
And one of her roles was being Charlie's assistant?
Yes.
And did you say she also kind of works in the front office?
Yes, she did.
Right. Who was the male voice on States 100?
Charlie.
Charlie Adelson?
Charlie Adelson.
And did you work with both of them for many years?
Yes.
At this time, Judge, I'm not going to admit States 100. I just wanted to lay that foundation, and we will seek to admit it through another witness later in the trial. That's all the questions I have. Thank you.
Cross-examination.
Just a moment.
Hello.
I want to direct your attention back to time frame of 2013, 2014. Did the office have an old style answering machine?
Yes.
Okay, so it'd play a recording if somebody didn't pick up.
Yes.
Okay, and you had to go to the machine and play the messages at the machine.
Correct.
Okay. In your 40 years of knowing my client, Mrs. Adelson, did she ever speak badly about Dan Markel?
No.
Isn't it true that you would call the Adelson family, Donna and Harvey, a hardworking family?
Yes.
Just a moment, Your Honor. Nothing further, Your Honor?
Any redirect to the witness?
Back during that time period, if a patient were to call Adelson Institute and it was closed, maybe because it's a Friday, Saturday, Sunday, would that call be routed to voicemail?
Yes.
Okay. And then would the voicemail be able to be checked from there if it's checked by someone in the office? That would be Monday morning.
Yes.
Do you know who else had access to that voicemail?
No.
You and Donna Adelson had a friendly relationship throughout your time at Adelson Institute.
Yes.
Were you, did you socialize or spend time together outside of work, or was your friendly relationship at work?
At work.
Okay. So while at work, you never heard her say anything negative about Dan Markel,
No.
but you didn't spend time with her outside of the office?
We've gone out on occasions, but
Not regularly.
I'm sorry?
Not on a regular basis?
No.
Okay. Thank you.
You may step down. Will the witness be recalled at all?
No, sir. She can be released. Thank you.
You are released from your subpoena. Have a good day. Please call your next witness.
State calls Katherine Magbanua.
Members of the jury will take a brief break. The bailiff will take you to the jury room. Everyone can be seated. I see. Yes. Go ahead. Preemptively, before this comes up during the testimony, Mrs. Adelson, I'm going to remind you again not to have any emotional reactions while the testimony is going on. No head shaking, no nodding, nothing to indicate that you either disagree or agree with what's happening. Do you understand?
Judge, our next witness after Magbanua is going to be Sergeant Corbett, and he will need just a second to get situated. So, is that okay?
That's fine.
Thank you.
For how long the Magbanua will take as a witness? Do you believe we will still get with Sergeant Corbett today?
We have until 5:30. I think we can start a little bit today.
Well, we can start a lot of things, but we will not finish them today in all likelihood. All right.